In so way, there are many good things with it physically. But spiritually, you know, there are a lot of things we can do.
So there's one ritual I want to teach you in regards to the ocean that can create money in your life. See, nobody realizes it's not more, you know. Some of us are but gradually was soon more and I
Bible said, no matter what you do, conch shell. Conch shell, I say, snail, no, naina abon. If I go India, that conch shell, no, and then I worship by a bono, like that. There's something like the snail, but a thing in every punum. And according to mysticism, all those things carry so much energy. So, for instance, if you are somebody who is doing business and you need to attract money, on a full moon day, you must get a conch shell from the ocean. So when you get a conch shell from the ocean, you can just get one note. It shouldn't be a coin, it should be a note. Then you fold it 7 times and put it in the conch shell. The best thing to do is to get a box. Those boxes, we call it a mystical box. I had double money in it, but any box at all, it should be a box. Then you put this conch shell with that money, I was folding it 7 times, in that box and keep it in your room. This must seem to be a very simple direction, but we are sika empower who will feel harder. And just say, oh, I could be a box and sika gumo mano, you know. But just by having this seed in the house, one like sika, 10 biano bones and sika ewo. To you will be we are very smart. What you do is that you don't keep money with you. When money comes, you spend it. And when you spend the money, sika empower. So for instance, you have maybe some 10,000 Ghana cedi you are keeping for something. Go and spend it. That money will be back. It's a very powerful ritual, but this conch shell, you must get it only on a full moon day. Nti our china ubetimi abaha. The ensuo na eba no. Ubon se timi yi bi di baba abonten. Ti eba na wafa. It shouldn't be the omadi kan yi da na nipa na to ama wo. Since mo begina anopa na na manu ano na ubehu se ensuo no bepia bi aba. That is the one you can use because it should be only on a full moon day. And like I said, sika no be fold in the 7, so I would like to show you how you fold the 7. Because yes, I'll be, please can you hold the mic for me? On the phone, okay. No, you just stand there, you'll say it. I mean, it shouldn't be anything difficult. Just that I want to just show you how you fold 7. It's not anything difficult. So how you should fold the money? You say like this. Anytime you are doing something spiritual, the microphone is troubling. Anytime you are doing anything spiritual and you have to tie something or you have to fold something, it should be clockwise first. So the money is like this. You have to fold it this way first. You shouldn't fold it like this. It should be here. Then you fold like this. This 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. This is how it should be like. So you fold it first to the clockwise direction. So it should be like this. Make sure you count up to 7 and then you take this and put it in the conch shell. Get a new box that nobody has ever used before. Put that conch shell inside. These are mystical things. Someone might think, say, yeah, do be and people now, yeah. Forget about the person. Keep this in your room. Sika empower honda. We in Yesika drew, but we are the way you won't lack money in your house. Don't forget, the conch shell must be taken only on a full moon day. It shouldn't be on any other day apart from full moon. So tomorrow being full moon, who are around here, you can come over here. You will get the conch shell. When your conch shell, pick it up and then do this ritual and see.
It is a very, very powerful ritual.
First thing is like our page on Facebook Transformations. Oko YouTuber na wako subscribe to our channel Transformation Era. Ena opeswa obetimi ya download your app no Transformation Radio app. All the videos are there. The video bi amaye bia no Transformation Radio app no. Obetimi ahwe video no. Ana obefa numbers yi. Na wa contact the office and say me pa cho me person me join Transformation no. So number is 0245 006467. Then second number is 0302 918808. Or contact number now, there's no need calling. Just send a message. Please, me will Sunyane, me will Kumasi, me will US. I want to join Transformation. Just short message. Nipa ne best send the contact number of the executive number of that area now person joining. Our groups, we pay for registration because your members they will be an ID card.